So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon high-input water heater. It's the 55,000 BTU unit for space heating. Up the top, first thing we did was give you a new shutoff valve here, quarter-turn ball valve, the Watts 3/4 inch, and then a brass nipple, Falcon stainless steel connector down to a brass extension at the tank. Over on the hot side, it's copper stubbed out. Already had an adapter on there from the original installation, so we just took a Falcon stainless steel connector down to a brass extension. Draft diverter comes with the unit. That's your existing vent pipe. We just put it back in because it fits. Up here at the top, we did give you new connections, brass nipples, 9/8 valve, and on, of course, this is the outlet up for the space heating. So a check valve pointing up, so the water can only go that way. Over on this side, we got the temperature and pressure relief valve and a little nipple, and then bend that up a little bit, and a Falcon stainless steel connector down to existing copper, which is soldered in the wall. Let me get that bent up a little bit more. There you go. And then down at the bottom, that's the inlet for the space heating, all brass nipple 90 valve. And water only goes one way on this, so it doesn't matter. The outlet is where it's important. You want hot water, the circulation to come back down this way. And it's tied over back to existing plumbing again, so this is already in the wall, the adapter's there. And these are all Falcon stainless steel connectors. They're full 3/4 inch inside diameter, so they're quite a bit bigger than what you had in there. Got your strap on the upper third, strap on the lower third. And over here, what we did is you had your valve sticking straight out of the wall, so we just took a 90 and turned it up. Put the valve vertically instead, just to keep it a little closer to the wall instead of sticking out. And then ran the pipe over, reinstalled this Street 90, this black Street 90 right here, and then just tied the supply line. So brand new valve, brand new supply line. Controller, we've got it set right now to 120. I'm not sure what temperature you had the other one set at. I could probably take a look at it real quick and see where it was at. Since it is for space heating, I'm not sure what it should be set to. You know, hot water in the home, you want to be careful because it's at 120. You're right at the threshold. You know, senior citizens, infants, people with thin skin, or we have clients with dementia, Alzheimer, and they forget that water is hot and they leave their hands in there and they get scalded. So be mindful of that. We said it, this is approximately 120. A130, B140, C150, very hot 160. So we leave it here for liability purposes, adjust it as you see fit. And so right now it's heating. You should have hot water in about an hour and a half. Outside of that, this installation is done.